Good evening, guys. Time for another one of these. We did Shot in the Dark, circuit number 15 last time. So this one will be Burglar Alarm. What are we going to do with this? You can locate it away from an object that you want to protect, and no one can know about the alarm until after they've set it off. The project uses the long green length of wire. That'll be that one. Normally this wire is used for an antenna for radio projects, but in this project it's used to trip the alarm. Before using this project, make sure that the long green wire is connected between terminals 1 and 2 on the front of your panel. Oh, those two, right. Oh, right, I see. So when somebody pulls the bit of wire, it disconnects it. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. I can figure out what that's going to be anyway. We won't need to use that because we're not going to be walking a long way away from it to test it. We'll just pull a bit of wire out to indicate that somebody's tripped over the trip wire. Okay, let's get on and build it. 33, where are we? 33 to 82. $33 to $82. Oh, I just realised we need to put something in there. Otherwise, it's going to alarm as soon as we switch it on. That's what they're telling you. But we'll just use a little bit of wire. Right. Okay, 33 to 82 to 94. 94, white one. $82 to $94 to $175. Let's use a blue one. Okay, 50 to 93. 50 to 93. To 95. $51 to $34. To 141. on-off switch. $34 to $141. $52 to $83. $83 to $96. And we'll use a red one. $53 to $173. Go blue. That's the transformer to one side of the speaker. 54, the other side of the transformer. 174, the other side of the speaker. Okay, 55, battery to 84. To 176. There. $57 to $140. Oh, I put that on 141. Never mind. Yellow wire. 140. 57. So that's our battery. And then T1 green wire, T2, which I'm using a little white wire for. Plug the batteries in. Switch it on. That shouldn't come on immediately. That's because we've not got, haven't got a good contact. Okay. So the idea is this is your green wire, which is a trip wire. Somebody trips over it. And that's it. Oh, well, that was short and sweet, I suppose. So basically, we've got a transistor there that's going to be creating an oscillating signal, sine wave, whatever, through the coil to the speaker. And over here, on-off switch. So that's off, that's on. Okay, well that was it. I normally have to move the camera, but we didn't need to this time. Right, circuit 16, burglar alarm. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.